Now that you have reviewed the LibGuide, it is time to administer the CRAP test on your own. The first thing to remember is that it's important to understand how to properly complete the test. You'll get this experience, first of all, by reviewing copies completed by other students so that you're better able to understand how to effectively use and apply the CRAP test on your own. The first thing is to look at an article. This one is The World's Most Advanced Prosthetic and How It is Changing Lives. You may access the entire article online by clicking on the blue bar. After reading this article, you can look at the completed CRAP test that was administered. The article was rated upon currency, relevancy, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Notice some of the answers to the questions and the scores given. This article was given a 43, which would place it into a good category. Remember, you're looking at trying to rate the dependability of an article to use it as a credible source in your own research. The second article, is about a gentleman who had his arm amputated, the things he went through, and his life. Now this article is a little bit different, being that it is a story. However, it is still applicable as a source for research. Again, you may click on this article link above to review the entire article online. This is the completed CRAP test that was administered via this article. Again, it was rated upon currency, relevancy, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Take note of some of the answers to the questions, some of the specifics that were given, and consider the differences from the first test, as well as keeping in mind the differences between the types of the two articles. This article was given a rating of a 45, which would place it into the excellent category. Again, this test is being administered to try to help you to consider whether you would like to use a source based upon your own use of the CRAP test. The next thing is to understand how you can use it and where you can find it. You can download a copy of a blank CRAP test by simply clicking on this bar above and following the directions on the website. Remember, please make sure that you make a backup copy of this file. Don't actually write over it and then lose this copy and have to download it again. It's important that you keep a master copy so that you can print it off and use it as many times as necessary. But the last thing to remember is that the CRAP test is there to help you to decide the credibility of a source. In the long run, the decision is yours, and a CRAP test alone cannot and does not replace the advice of your teacher or your librarian, as well as your own common sense. In closing, if you question the credibility of a source, simply move on. There are a great number of credible sources that can be found online. Don't give any one source enough time to take away from your ability to complete your research and administer the CRAP test. And once again, if you have questions, go back to the LibGuide. Review the information that was posted. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. And again, remember, the CRAP test is there to help you, but it doesn't replace your common sense, the advice of your teacher, the advice of your librarian, and just what you feel. Thanks.